Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of festival or Coachella makeup, where vibrant creativity and boundless self-expression collide. Festivals are a kaleidoscope of energy, a canvas for artistry that knows no limits. In this tutorial, we'll journey into the realm of makeup that captures the spirit of festivals, infusing your look with colors, glitter, and whimsy to help you radiate confidence and join the celebration. The face is your canvas, a place where your imagination runs free. Let's begin with the foundation of your festival look, your skin. Start by cleansing and moisturizing, creating a clean slate for your artistry. Primer takes the stage, a crucial step to ensure your makeup remains as vivacious as your spirit throughout the festivities. When it comes to foundation, opt for lightweight formulas that provide coverage without stifling your skin. Festivals often demand long-lasting wear, so consider a foundation that's sweat-proof and resilient against the elements. Blend it seamlessly for an even complexion that sets the stage for the magic to come. Now, let your creativity unfurl its wings. Your eyes are the canvas for a vibrant masterpiece. Embrace bold and vivid eyeshadow shades, embodying the spirit of festivals. Think electric blues, fiery oranges, and mystical purples that mirror the riot of colors that grace festival grounds. Begin with transition shades in your crease, then layer on the intense hues on your eyelids, blending them harmoniously for a seamless fusion of colors. Don't be afraid to experiment with shimmer and glitter, they're the confetti of your makeup palette. But the festival allure doesn't stop at the eyes. To capture the sun-kissed glow that festivals are famous for, highlighter is your secret weapon. Apply it generously to your cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow, basking in the luminous radiance it imparts. Turn your attention to the lips, where boldness reigns supreme. Reds, purples, metallics, the choice is yours. Opt for long-wearing lipsticks that can endure hours of singing, dancing, and revelry. Given the dynamic nature of festivals, waterproof mascara is a necessity. Coat your lashes to perfection, ensuring they flutter resiliently through the festivities. However, what truly elevates the festival or Coachella makeup look are the face and body embellishments. Your face is your canvas for creativity, with shimmering rhinestones, glitter tears, or iridescent face jewels. These details add an ethereal dimension, capturing the essence of bohemian allure. For your body, consider body glitter that dances with every movement, or metallic tattoos that adorn your skin like wearable art. As the crescendo of your creation, a setting spray locks in your artistry. This final touch ensures that your makeup remains as exuberant as the festival spirit, enabling you to dance, sing, and celebrate without a care in the world. Festival and Coachella makeup is your invitation to channel your inner artist, celebrating the vibrant symphony of life through colors and textures. Whether you're dancing under the desert sun or embracing the rhythm of the crowd, this makeup look is a testament to self-expression and the euphoria that festivals bring.